I think the races that doesn't go as I expect, those are the ones that makes me change. Kona was one of those races, and I spent almost 4 hours on the marathon. I thought about a lot of things. I thought about my family, my friends. I know they support me if I win races, if I lose races, if I quit or don't. But I thought the least I could do is finish the race in respect of them. On race days, we have a lot of support from the crowd, from the athletes. But when you are training, my family and my friends, they are the ones that really support me. They know what we've been through to training. They know that it's not easy.